In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set profile video on Telegram. By the end, you'll know exactly how to swap your static profile photo for a short, looping video that looks clean and professional. This is a simple change that makes your profile stand out, and it only takes a minute. Start by opening Telegram on your device. From the bottom menu, head into Settings. You are looking for the gear icon labeled Settings along the bottom bar. Once you are there, you'll see your profile at the top of the screen. Tap your profile picture at the top, or tap the small camera icon next to it. This opens the option to set a new photo or video for your profile. You'll see choices to pick from your existing media. Choose the option to add a video and then select a clip from your phone's gallery or photo library. Short, clear clips with good lighting and a steady frame work best because Telegram will loop your video on your profile. When your video opens in Telegram's media editor, you'll trim it down to the best 10 seconds or less. Drag the handles on the timeline to capture the moment that represents you best, maybe a friendly wave, a smile, or a subtle motion that loops smoothly. Keep the motion simple so it looks natural when it repeats. Use the built-in tools to polish your clip. If your video is sideways or slightly tilted, use the rotate option to fix the orientation. You can nudge the framing by pinching to zoom and dragging to center your face or your subject. If you want to add personality, apply a sticker or two, but keep it tasteful and avoid covering your face or important details. Editing is about clarity, so prioritize a bright, sharp image and a clean background. Preview the loop a couple of times to make sure the start and end points feel seamless. If a transition looks jumpy, try trimming a fraction of a second off either end until the loop feels smooth and intentional. When you are happy with how it looks, tap the check mark to save and apply your new profile video. That's it, your Telegram profile will update, and your video will appear in place of your photo. It will loop automatically on your profile and give your contacts a quick, lively glimpse of you. If you ever want to change it, repeat the same process and select a different clip from your gallery. Thanks for watching.